Hey guys, it's Wolf here. Welcome back to new video. Welcome. So this is going to be 4 biggest bear market mistakes to avoid if you want to make money in the next bull run. I believe the next bull run will be around 2023 to 2025, and the reason for that is because the bull runs have been, and the bull cycle basically repeats like this. Okay, because of human psychology. So we are going to have, so this is how it has been going basically. Okay, so this has been going since 2011, and right now we are in 2022 here, and the next run up is going to be here. Okay, so what mistakes you want to avoid during this period if you want to make absolute racks for the next bull run, and in the next bull run you can literally turn, in this video I'm going to literally show you how you can turn $10,000 into millions. Okay, and even you can like I started with $500 back in 2021, and I turned that into over $300,000. So it all depends on your skills and knowledge and experience. Okay, anyway, so we're going to dive deep into 4 biggest bear market mistakes. Okay, so let's start with the number one. The number one absolute mistake is not having cash flow. Okay, so back in, let me actually say this first. So I've been in crypto since here. I stumbled upon here. I didn't understand what it was. I just happened to make some money here. And then the bear market started. I was in this bear market. I was broke as it gets. I couldn't even buy a bag of noodles. And because I was launching my new businesses. I'm very entrepreneurial, so I was launching my new businesses, pouring all the capital in the businesses, and so I couldn't buy anything in the bear market, right? So in here, as the new bull run started, I was like, shit, I've missed out. And then I took my last $500 and turned that into over $300,000 here. Then I took profits here because back here I didn't take them. So I remembered here, okay, now as we are in the cycle, everything is up like crazy. I was like, okay, now it's time to take profit. So because last time I didn't take and I lost all my money, but now I did, and now I'm sitting on a pile of cash, and now I'm dollar cost averaging in the next bull run. Okay, so with that being said, you don't even need that much money to make tons of money in the bear market, because if you look for the bottoms from here to here, that's already a 10x, and the next 10x from here to here, that's the second 10x. That's 100 freaking x. Okay, if you 100x $10,000, for example, let me show you here. If you 100x $10,000, how much is that? That's a $1 million. Okay, so it's not that out of the question. However, this time is of the essence. This opportunity won't last long because you can see that the bull runs have been getting bigger and bigger by orders of magnitude after bull run after bull run, because it's a exponentially growing market, and we are early. We are still kind of early, but not very early, but we are still early. In the next couple of years, the Wall Street guys who are very good at math, they will come into these markets. And if you look at the cryptocurrencies right now, cryptocurrencies are, it's a new, it's software, it's blockchain software, it's upgrade to the previous software, and it's all math, it's all cryptography. So these guys, the Wall Street guys, work 60 hours a week, and they are experts in their field, and they are experts at math, and they are massive connections. So it will be very hard to compete with these guys. Like, think about it. Like, think about trying to compete with Wall Street. It's impossible if you don't happen to be great at math and work 60 hours a week and have crazy connections, right? So right now we are still in the early phase that Wall Street guys and the smart guys are not here yet. Okay, so right now you can still make money. I'm telling you this, the opportunity won't last long. A lot of people don't listen to me because I don't actually know why they don't listen to me, but it's very smart what I just said. The big guys are coming. The smart guys are coming. Right now we can still make tons of money in the next bull run, but I don't know after that. That's why I'm really betting heavy on this next bull run, because it will be insane. Like you can see, it will be 10x times larger than this. The gains will be ridiculous, and I'm prepared. I'm preparing, and in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare and what mistakes to avoid, and also it's just going to be ridiculously good. Like right now, if you look at the world right now, everybody's scared right now. Everybody's like, this is going to go crap, and it may will. I don't know, but it's great opportunity, because I understand that if you look at the user adoption rate and exponential growth rate of cryptocurrency, because the block space, like there's tons of need for block space, because everything will come on chain. So if you look at assets right now, the total net worth of planet Earth is 500 trillion. Okay, all of that is coming to crypto. Crypto right now, the total market cap is not even 1 trillion. you know, so the gains will be ridiculous, but only if you take action and only if you don't make the biggest mistakes, because Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger always say that they are not the smartest in the rooms, even though they are very smart, you know, and they are not the fastest, they are not the strongest, but they don't make that many mistakes. Okay, they avoid making mistakes, so avoiding these mistakes that I'm telling you is key. Okay, let's continue. So the number one problem I have, I didn't have any cash flow, like I explained. So you need cash flow. Okay, so what I would do is literally, if you have right now, if you're watching this video and you're like, damn Wolf, like, you know, if you're broke, here's what you do. If you're get a job, okay, get a job. I know it sounds stupid, like, but you know, hear me out. You know, I hate 9 to 5 jobs. I literally hate, but I have still made them. I have always made the money, and you use that to, you know, buy books, courses, mentorships, you know, start my own businesses and stuff like that, because I hate 9 to 5. I never go back to 9 to 5 jobs. I don't have to, because I, you know, grinded out of that. But you know, if I would have to do it, I would do this. I would get a job that would at least pay like 2K a month, right? 2K a month, okay? When you times that by 12, that's, what's that? That's 24K, right? And when, after taxes, so taxes are like 0.24 to 0.30, depending on your, you know, depending on your country. So that's around so what's that? Around $18,000, right? So around $18,000. Now after your living expenses, if you use $600 a month, okay, $600 a month times, so 600 times 10 is 6,000, so it's like 7,000. So you will be, if you use $600 a month, you will be left with around $10,000 to invest every a year. Okay, so if this bear market happens to last 1 year, so you get $10,000 to invest, or 2 years you got like 20K to invest, right? So it's not going to be easy and it's not going to be comfortable, but this is going to be a very great strategy. This is what I would do. Anyway, so you take the 10K and then you divide that by 12. Okay, you divide that by 12. So that's around, what's around? It's around $833, right? So that's the monthly expense you can, am I calculating it right? This is that weak maths, you know what I'm saying? So let's look at here. So 833, so yeah, So that's $833 a month that you can invest, okay, in the cryptocurrencies. And you know, and then you just use the dollar cost average method. I go over it. Let me actually show you. I go over it in the so you can go to wolflowes.com. I created a brand new website. Look at this. Look at the bows here. Look at, it's saucy, guys. It's saucy. I'm telling you. So anyway, so wolflowes.com, build a well-structured portfolio that manages risk and make millions in the next bull run 2023-2025. So I go in depth and show you how to do this if you want to join the membership, and it's very affordable. I made it so everybody can get in. Okay, I wanted to make it's a complete no-brainer. Okay. And I also now added, because, you know, so you can just test it out. You can just see it out for yourself. Anyway, so that's that. And now the magic happens here. So when you have the $10,000 right now, dollar cost averaged in, right? You have the 10K, and when you 10x that, okay? You 10x that, like I showed you. Let me show you here. So, for example, here, buying the bottom in the next bull run, the bull run hasn't even started yet. It's already 10x here. Like you can see, $100 to $200 here. It's already like 2K here. That's already a 10x, right? That's already 10x, okay? So 10K turned into 100K, right? And then you have the 100K, and the bull run hasn't even started yet. It's insane. It's insane. So here's where so it's already done 10 up, and here where the bull run starts. It's when the crazy happens. Okay, this is when the crazy shit happens. Okay, so after that, it's very easy to 10x another time. So that is $1 million. Okay, when you 10x 100K. Okay, and if you happen to get, and you know, I'm building a portfolio, managed portfolio with high caps, mid caps, and low caps. So for example, it gets very spicy when you add, if some of your tokens go to like 100x or even up to 1000x or 50x, whatever, it bottom line can be literally 10 to $100 million if you play your cards right. I've been here since 2017, and I know how to play the game. I've been full bear and bull cycle. This next bull run cycle, I'm going to freaking crush it. So that's why I created the membership I'm showing you right now, because you don't have, if you don't take this what I'm saying you right now, okay, if you don't learn this right now, you will learn it the hard way in the next bull run, and you will be like, damn, yeah, you literally are going to miss out the bull run like I did here. You are going to probably make some money, but you won't live off that for, you know, for the rest of your life, literally. So, you know, you can do that, but I'm telling you, so getting the membership and, you know, doing these things and, you know, listening to what I'm saying here, I wish that somebody would have told me this back here. You know, I'm continuously saying the same message again and again, because this is the truth, guys. I mean, I don't want you guys to listen, I don't want you guys to miss out on this one, because this level of opportunity, I think this is once in a lifetime. This is it, guys. This is it. Okay, this is the big shot. You know, we are in the leagues right now. This is the last, like, this kind of like, you have to get this right. You have to nail it down. So I'm creating the mentorship kind of like to show you how you can do the drills and just, you know, get ready for the game, because the game will happen in 2023 to 2025, so the bull run. Okay, so get cash flow. So even if you have zero money right now or anything like that, you know, don't worry. We have time here in the bear market. I think the bull run is going to be 2023, 2025. So right now we're 2022. So you still have time to get cash flow and get it in. But it does require effort. So get a job. Couple of jobs that you can do. A great one is to manage social media marketing agency. I have been doing it. Doing it. So you just go to businesses and say, I can handle your social media, whatever, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, whatever you want to do, whatever your skills are at, and then you just do it for them, post for them, get some customers to them, and then charge anywhere between literally $500 to anywhere, you can even up to 25K a month. Okay, so this is a cash flow. You need cash flow. You need cash every single month. So this is a great thing, and so that's one. Or you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, whatever you want to do. But that's just one thing that's very low hanging fruit. And you can also build websites to business, sort of freelance, whatever you want to do, but to get every month cash flow. And what I would do, what I'm doing, I'm buying all the time. Like I'm putting all my money, all my fiat money right now in the crypto. So this is, by the way, how you want to do it. So in the bull run, you want to risk out and you want to get in the stable coins like USD or USDC or any of the other ones. Or euros or whatever. And in the bear market, when everything has been going down, this is where you want to get into the crypto. This is where you want to get in the risk assets again. A lot of people here in the bull market, they buy crypto here. You shouldn't buy crypto in the bull market. You should sell, okay? And in the bear market, a lot of people are selling because the prices are going down. But here is actually where you should buy and add risk. So add risk in the bear market, and de-risk in the bull market. Okay, people have it completely opposite, and I know when I say it right now, you're like, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense, but people don't do it right now. As I'm talking about, you like, are you dollar cost averaging in every single month right now, or are you waiting for lower prices? You know what? If you are waiting for the lower prices, look at here. It didn't matter if you bought here or here, whatever you just bought. You know, as long as you just freaking bought here, you made tons of money in the bull run. Okay, so that's that. Anyway, so let's look at this next step here. Okay, so I'm getting very excited for this, because I know that this is going to be so helpful for you, and some of you are literally going to become millionaires because of these videos and because of the membership. I love it, because in the last bull run, I know a couple of people made like almost $1 million in the last bull run with my picks and with my membership. So in this bear market, in the next bull run, I'm going to at least make like 100 millionaires at least. It's going to get great. It's going to be wild, man. It's going to be wild. So anyway, so the next step is I didn't build the diversified portfolio back in the last bull run. So diversified portfolio. So build a diversified portfolio, right? So what it means is a lot of people just come into the space. For example, a lot of people come here and then they buy some kind of centralized token, like let's just take, they buy one token, they go all in on one token. I know I'm going to pick anything here, but people that come here and then they just buy one token, and that's 100% of their portfolio. That is not managing risk. That is not managing. This is a risk asset. We are so early here still. So what you want to do because think about it, if you go all in on here and you happen to have a wrong pick, you miss out on the bull run. You don't want to miss out on the bull run. I did this. Don't do this. Please don't do this. You will regret it. You will regret it. Don't do it. Don't do it. So what you want to do is you want to build a diversified portfolio. So you want to have high caps, okay, with low risk and high return, right? And then you have to have mid caps with higher risk but also higher return. And then you want to have low caps with very high risk but very high return. Okay, so these are 100 to 1000x tokens, right? And these are like 20x to 50x, and these are around 10x. Okay, great. Look at this. So this is a much better than just going all in on one token. Okay, so you want to build positions. So this is how you do it. You build the positions and then you make the positions like this. So you will see in the membership my portfolio, and as I'm building it, you will see exactly what I'm buying, when I'm buying, how much I'm buying, and why I'm buying them. Like literally everything. I have the bull case and everything. I don't leave you blind there. You see everything that I'm doing. It's insane, man. It's very, nobody else is doing what I'm doing. And I have learned this. So there's a great book about this, by the way. If you want to read Howard Marks, the most important thing. It kind of like covers this, the managing risk. So what we are doing with diversified portfolio is we are managing risk and also maximizing gains. So max gains, because this is the risk. We are managing risk here with the higher caps, but then we are also optimizing for crazy returns here. Okay. So this is a lot better than just going all in on just one token. Okay, you can do the one trick pony thing, but I'm telling you, if you if it doesn't work for you in the next bull run, remember that I told you so. You know why? Because I tested it out and it didn't work. Anybody who did this one thing token thing, I didn't see anybody of these guys making money. They were the whole bull run, they missed it out, they just didn't make any money. But these guys who made the diversified portfolio, one of my mentors, he literally turned like, I don't know, like $10,000, $50,000, something like that, into like 50 million. Okay, you can do that. Like you can do it. I'm telling you, just dream bigger. Like dream bigger. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do it, or don't let anybody do that BS. Like everything that you see, if whatever your vehicle or thing you're using to watch this video, or either your laptop or iPhone or Android, whatever you're using, man thought of that and then created that. Okay, man thought of that and then created that. So it's all man-made. So if you think that you can't make money, you will not make money. But if you start thinking that you make money and you actually have tons of knowledge and a plan around it and action, the chances are that you will get it, is because Charlie Morgan talks about, to get what you want, you have to deserve what you want. The world is not crazy enough a place to reward a whole bunch of undeserving people. So if you truly deserve it, okay, and this is one of the best investors in the whole world. But if you truly deserve it, you have done the research and you have tons of knowledge, you have experience, you take action on the experience, and you are patient, you have temperament, you just crush it. There's no way that you will not make it. Okay, but I can't guarantee you anything because I'm not you. But I can guarantee my success because I'm doing everything I can to make this work. Right? I deserve this. Okay. So I hope that you can say same for yourself, and I believe in you. If you're watching this video right now, I believe in you. All of the YouTube videos and all of every BS that there is, you are focusing right now, still watching this video. Okay, that's great. So I love that. Anyway, so let's look at the third one. Okay. By the way, yeah, so a couple of tips here. So when you're building a diversified portfolio, look at tokens that have user adoption. Well, actually, let's look at in the next one. So the third one is actually in the last bull run, I bought the wrong tokens. So not bull run, but bear market. So here in the bear market, I didn't know anything. I bought one token a little bit. It was wrong token. I didn't buy enough, and I didn't build the diversified portfolio. Okay. So how you want to buy the tokens, like what to buy, what to look at. So user adoption, which is like how many users are actually using it. And users are users and developers. So people actually who create the system. For example, if you look at right now Cardano, there is not developer activity there, zero, and the users who are using Cardano are staking the Cardano, so which means that there is literally no one using the platform. So that is one of the tokens that I would not buy simply because it's all speculation. There's no real user adoption, you know. But there are tons of tokens that, well, not tons, but there are tokens that have tons of user adoption, both users and developers constantly increasing, exponentially growing like this. Boom. That's great sign, because you know what, to make money, this is from the quote from Elon Musk. So you get paid in a direct proportion of the problems you solve. By the way, you need to start memorizing quotes. I learned this from my mentor. Start memorizing great quotes. They will help you a lot, because this is a great quote. You get paid in the direct proportion of the problems you solve. Does the problem you solve, you get paid direction to it, because money is scarce, in demand resources. That's what money is. It has always been. It has been leather, seashells, whatever it is. It has been scarce. It has been in demand, and it's a resource. Okay, that's a knowledge bomb right there. Anyway, so user adoption is great, because if it's solving a real problem and people use it, more people will use it, and money follows attention. So if you look at like why Kim Kardashian is so wealthy and they have so much attention. Money follows attention, and where the attention flows, money goes. Okay, so user adoption is the attention. So pay close attention to those who have tons of user adoption. They are already leaders in the space. If you look at dot-com bubble and the boom after that, the companies that had the most user adoption, they grow like crazy. But people are, don't look out for low cap tokens that don't have any user adoption. You are playing lottery. It's very hard to go from. So there's a good book. So it's called Crossing the Chasm. So let me show you here. Actually, I can. So this is the chasm. So here's kind of late guys. So these guys are late. These are like the majority, and then we have kind of the innovators. And then we have the early people, and here is a massive gap, okay, where 99% of businesses go bankrupt here. They fail here. They die on this massive gap, okay? Only like 1% of businesses make it, and the businesses that make it have user adoption. They are leaders in the space, and they cash flow, again. So cash flow is king. When you get monthly payments, okay, you can so businesses make money, and then they can invest back into the business to make it grow, and it's tax deductible, okay. That you can use tax reduction. So the business can grow, and the more it grows, the more user adoption it gets. Better the cash flow becomes, and it becomes this flywheel kind of like thing, where it grows like crazy. You can look, for example, Apple is a great example. They are cash flow. iTunes is cash flowing like crazy. They have tons of user adoption. Like literally, they have brand awareness. They are leaders in the space. They have cash flow and they have user adoption. Copy that. Copy what works. Don't go, because 99% of the tokens that you see on the crypto space, remember, they are going to die. They are going to go to zero. I've been here since 2017. If you Google 2017 coin market cap, the list, it's very different than this. The Bitcoin was first, but it's very, and Ethereum is here, but it's very different. There's tons of like weird coins, like let's say something like a mega coin or something like that. They went to zero. Nobody even remembers them. That's what number 9. If you go to lower caps and they don't have user adoption, they are not leaders in space, and they are not cash flowing. They are going to go to zero. Okay, so that's why you need to manage risk. Okay, and you need to start buying the tokens that have user adoption, leaders in space, and cash flow. Their strategy definitely. So it's called venture investing. So if you look at Naval Ravikant, he invests into companies that start from zero. Like he's a seed investor. That's also a strategy, but he has like, I don't even know, he has like thousands of different companies in his portfolio, because it's so risky. It's very high risk but very high return. So this is kind of like a middle of, the strategy that I'm using is middle of, it's 50% venture investing, because we are still very early, but it's also 50% long-term value investing, what Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett are doing. So I'm kind of like combining these two, because cryptocurrency is so early. So this is the best strategy that I have found so far. And I'm telling you, nobody else is using this. This is true alpha that you're getting for in this video right now. No one else is talking about this, what I'm sharing with you right now. If you look at the other YouTubers, like, show some love, guys. Like the freaking video. Like, I'm telling you, I want everybody to see this video, because this is the gem, guys. This is the gem. This is the real deal. So if you if you look at the other YouTubers, they are showing you trading charts. Okay, if you look at like that's like indicators. They are looking at look at here. So the market is going like this. They're going up or down or right, and they are drawing lines like this to look at indicators. These are price indicators. I don't look at price indicators. I look at value indicators. Value indicators are user adoption. Are they leaders in the space? Cash flow and things like this. These are true indicators, because what you can indicate through looking at these freaking things here. Look at this. This is like playing horoscope or these things. Like you can draw some lines here, but you are not going to get wealthy for life doing this. Like, these are price indicators. Warren Buffett says that he doesn't even look at price when he's buying, because it doesn't matter. Only thing that matters is it goes up. These guys are looking so short term that it's crazy. There's working strategies when you're for some people who trade, but literally, if you study it, I read a crazy book about it. So literally 99% of people who trade like don't make any money. If you have tried trading, it like, good luck with that. You are going to lose probably all of your money. And some people even trade with leverage. Never use leverage. Never use leverage. Okay. Warren Buffett has a great quote about leverage. He says that if you are smart, you don't need leverage, and if you are dumb, you shouldn't be using leverage. Okay, you have no, so that's a great quote in my opinion, because a lot of people, when go to zero and below, they go into debt because of leverage. That's very scary. That is very scary. So try to avoid that. Anyway, so I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing you, gems and golden information that a lot of people don't know. Okay, they are very key to making tons of money, hundreds of millions of dollars. Anyway, so that's that. So try buying the right tokens. Okay, so user adoption token. It's very no brainer. So the fourth thing is I was trying to do it on my own. So get mentors. Don't try to do it on your own. Try to get mentors. You know why? Because if you look at baby, let me show you. So you have a cow here. Okay, so yeah, this is beautiful. Then you have baby cow. Okay, you have baby cow. The baby cow and animals, they don't speak. Okay, they don't speak. They don't write. They don't look YouTube videos. Okay, what they do is they learn through osmosis. Okay, osmosis means that you just learn naturally by watching what the other, your mentor is doing. This is how you learn. This is the best way. This is absolutely the best way to learn. Okay, so this is what you want to do. That's why mentors are the best. If you look at like Alexander the Great, or everybody, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, everybody has had mentors. Okay, if you look at, for example, Warren Buffett, he has Benjamin Graham, one of the best value investors in the whole wide world. Even though Warren Buffett is very smart, he had the smartest mentor ever. Okay, then there's Jim Rohn. These guys. Napoleon Hill, everybody that you know has had mentors. That's truly the secret to life. Get mentors. You know why? Because if you look at the 4 pillars of the good life, so there's this table, and these are the things that you need to have. So you need to have health, you need to have wealth, you need to have love and happiness. Okay, they have to be in balance to the good life. To live the good life. Everybody wants to live the good life, but not everybody can do it. If you want to do it, you need to balance health, wealth, love, and happiness. Get mentors around those topics. Anyway, so if you look at health, it's not you can't copy like health of other people. You can learn from them, but you can exactly copy it, because some people have some people die when they eat apple. They have allergies, so you can't necessarily copy health. Okay, you can't copy love. You can't copy someone else's love life, okay? And you can't copy someone else's happiness. But wealth and money, you can copy it. It's complete. If you have the exact blueprint on how to get to the X, okay? And you do it step by step, you get the same results. Okay, think about if somebody's making money and that person hands you the exact step-by-step way on how to do it, and then you do it and implement it, you will get exact same strategy, exact same money. I remember one of my mentors showed me this. So back when I was running Facebook ads, and he showed me this campaign that he was running, and I was like, I just blatantly so there's a great, so Picasso had a great quote: "Good artists copy, great artists steal. Good artists copy, great artists steal." So just so the point of this is just copy what works, okay? Steal what is already working. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. A lot of people come like trying to start, for example, businesses. It took me a long time to learn this. They try to start businesses and they try to reinvent the wheel. You can just take that freaking wheel and run with it. Okay, you can start making money already, and you can start building crazy portfolio already. Because if it works, there's tons. All you have to do is get attention to it, and if it's already working, you are already making money. So just copy what works. I'm telling you, this is the biggest trick. So the story here is that I took one of my mentors. My mentor is like, he's crazy wealthy right now, and he's so smart. I don't know even how much money he's making right now. Like absolutely, like hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. Probably like $300,000, $400,000 every single month. So I copied one of his campaigns. He showed me it, and I copied like step by step, like copied everything, the color of it, the website, the name of the website, the campaigns, everything, because he showed me them, and then I tried it, and you know what? You know what happened? It worked. I started making money the next day. It's crazy. That's how it works. Okay, you can copy success. So I'm telling you guys, you can copy my success. In the next bull run, I'm going to become multimillionaire. Like you can see in this video, I'm not BSing. This is 100% true. I'm not dreaming or anything like that. This is my life's work here. And right now in the crypto space, I work 24/7. Like I outwork everyone. I have insane mentors. I can just text to my mentor. I have like multiple mentors, multiple multimillionaires. Okay, that I have bought like basically access to, because you when you get money, you have to pay So of course the portfolio that I'm showing and the membership is going to cost you, but it's very affordable. This year alone, I have used $100,000 to educate myself. $100,000, okay? Because the more you learn, the more you earn. You need to buy access. You need to start buying access to great information, because that is the key. If you want to make crazy money, you need to start investing in yourself. Before investing in any crypto or anything like that, you need to invest into yourself. You need to invest into your knowledge. So if you're starting from blank zero, or if you're mid-level or advanced, this is for you. This is absolutely incredible opportunity. But the thing is here, like I showed you, time is of the essence. This is not going to last forever, okay? The bear market won't last forever, okay? So right now, we had the 2017 bull run, then we had the bear market, then we had the 2021 bull run, and right now we are here. So I believe we are going to have bear market like this. We are going to have some downs and some ups here, and the next bull run is going to be ridiculous. So I'm buying blue chip assets, dollar cost averaging in every single month here. Boom, 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 boom. And the next bull run, I'm going to start selling for 10 to 100x gains. Okay? So that's the plan, guys. That is the plan. I'm doing it. I'm documenting all things here on the YouTube. And in the membership, you see everything that I'm doing. You literally see. You literally see. I have a tracking sheet where I show you even up to like how much the transaction costs are costing me. For example, doing transaction optimism cost me 4 cents. I show you that. I show everything that's inside. Everything. Okay? So take action. Take action. Okay? Because even if you're watching this video right now, you watch like, okay, so this is pretty good, Wolf. Like I must tell you, Wolf, this was pretty good. I smashed the like, and it was great. But if you don't take action on it, you will never make crazy money. Okay, this is what I also learned. So those people who take action, it's focus and action. The thing that separates this is from billionaire. The thing that separates us from animals is that we have frontal cortex, basically logic. Okay, and which allows us to focus on one thing for a longer time. And what you focus on grows. So here's what you want to do it. By the way, this equals massive amounts of money. So you want to, the first thing that you want to think is learn, so knowledge. So then you want to do is plan, so strategy. and then you want to take action. So then you can get data. When you get the data, then you can, this becomes kind of like a flywheel again. So when you learn, you get knowledge. When you get knowledge, you make a plan. When you make a plan, you make a strategy. And then you take action on the strategy, then you get data, is it working or not? And then you come back to the learn more, and then, you know, it becomes this thing. And when you do this and focus on this and take action, you can make tons of money, okay? Tons and tons of money, okay? I hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, comment down below. And remember to smash the like. You know, if you guys like this video, I'm going to create more of these, okay? If you don't like it, I'm probably going to make more of these still, because I know some people, you know, just don't like, but they are enjoying this video. You know, I know that because tons of people email me. I get tons of emails, tons. And people are like, yeah, the video was like insane, thank you so much for sharing. And people joining the membership. So join the membership now. Check it out, wolflobis.com, okay? So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos. I'm not the financial advisor, and peace out.